10 में कहाँ है? Part V, unit 4. Unit 4 या third? Third. Unit third, soil. Clear? Tell me first, what is soil? What is soil? Any idea about the soil? Yes. It's recorded. Yes. Soil is a mixture of rock debris. Okay. Okay. Sit down. Very good. And any other statement? Any other argument? Exactly. The soil is the part of the earth's surface, right? Yes or no? Which part? It is almost the up. Exactly. It is exists the uppermost layer, almost uppermost layer. Why uppermost layer? Because we know the about our earth crust, intensity of the earth crust, what are the mineral we have found in the earth crust, etc., etc. So basically, suppose this is a earth surface, okay, and it is the part of the earth crust, okay, the first layer of the earth surface. And what is the name of the second layer? Mantle. And what is the name of the third layer? Core, exactly. So soil is a part of the earth surface. Earth surface is made up of which type of rocks? Tell me the name of the rocks or minerals. Or minerals. Tell me the composition of the minerals. Silicon, aluminum, and silicon, aluminum, and magnesium. Exactly. That's why it is divided into two parts. What are the two parts? Shear and shimmer. It is composition of continental crust and oceanic crust. Exactly. Now we discuss the soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth's surface. It is situated this portion. Okay. And already we have completed soil forming factors, etc., etc. Just reminder those things. Tell me the soil forming processes. Tell me the soil forming processes. What are the soil forming processes? It not included in this chapter, but when we discuss the soil, it is already in your level. First is with acha. Soil soil forming processes. Number one is first is what? First is weathering. Second is what are the second? What is the second process of soil formation? No. Process. We are discussing the process. How to form the soil? Deposition, it's common. But what are the main processes of the soil forming? Or what are the soil forming processes? Erosion and deposition, obviously, erosion and deposition, but डिकम्पोजिशन होगा, बट मैं कुछ दूसरे पॉइंट आउट करना चाहता हूं. इट इज रिलेटेड टू सॉइल प्रोफाइल. एक बार मैंने बोला था, टेल मी द नेम. Soil forming processes. Fragmentation is one kind of erosion, and it's similar to erosion and deposition. But the 2-3 processes are more important. What are the processes? Soil forming processes. Tell me. There are another. Acha, tell me weather. What is weathering? Tell me first. What is weathering? Number one. What is weathering? What is weathering? Yes. And also decomposed. Okay, you are going to in briefly details. Suppose that if we just mention the weathering as a process of soil formation, we just mention the what is weathering? Weathering is a process by which the rocks are fragmented by mechanically and decomposed by chemically. Exactly. So this process is called weathering, and it is the one of the important process for the soil formation. Second important process is alluviation. Second important process is alluviation. What is alluviation? Alluviation. What is alluviation? Just I will draw a soil profile. Firstly, I will draw a soil profile. बोर्ड यहां से दिख रहा है ना? Okay. A, B, and C. What is this? There are three horizons of the soil. Clear? And it's called, and what is called this soil profile. Clear? जैसे तुम लोग बहुत जैसे आप कोई एक what is profile? Profile. What is the meaning of profiles? Profile means it's define the characteristics of this, right? हमारे प्रोफाइल में क्या शो करता है? हमारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, हॉबीज एक्सेट्रा. तो दिस सॉइल प्रोफाइल characterizes these soil layers or different horizon. Actually, overally, there are three layers: A, B, and C. And this topmost layer is called O. O is divided into three parts, but it is not classified here. Just approximately A, B, and C. There are three horizons. They are called horizon. The particular layer is called horizon. Clear? A is the first layer, and this portion. All the things are happening. A is the first layer, or A is the first horizon, B is the second horizon, and C is the third horizon. C is the bedrock. C is bedrock. Bedrock means parents material, which is maximum. The soil profile or soil characteristics depend on the maximum time. It's the parent rock. Parent rock के ऊपर depend करता है. We already discussed about the etc. So what is alluviation? What is alluviation? Alluviation are nothing. Just alluviation is the one kind of leaching process or the percolation process where or which process the minerals are coming from A layer to B layer. This process is called alluviation. Clear? What is alluviation? Clear? Yes or no? Just minerals are coming from A layer to B layer. What type of mineral? It's combination of organic matter, because the presence of plant, animal, etc. All are lived here. So that's why it's a mixture of the organic and inorganic matter. So the alluviation process means just leaching or percolation. Just percolation. Just go down. The minerals go down from A layer to B layer. This process is called alluviation. Elluviation. Clear? And which is happen in A layer. That's why the A layer is called alluviated layer. That's why the A layer is called alluviated layer. It is not in your book. And I will give you this question in your exam or annual exam. So be careful. Next, but I will provide a note. Don't worry about that. Just listen to things. Third process. What is the third process? Third process is illuviation. The third process is illuviation. 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 What is illuviation? No, B says C, no. Actually, it's the illuviation is the process by which the minerals are deposited at the B layer. Clear? C में नहीं जा सकता because C is the parent rock. C is the hard rock. That's why the minerals are coming down from A layer to B layer and it is deposited. When the process by which it is deposited, minerals are deposited at the B layer, this process is called illuviation. Clear? So can you differentiate between A layer and illuviation and illuviation? Differentiate. Yes. When it is deposited, what is deposited? When the minerals and organic matters are deposited at the B level or by this process, which is called illuviation. And another differentiate or point, another point, second point. It is happen in elevation happen in A layer, elevation happen in B layer. Clear? It is the removal of the minerals, it is a deposition of the minerals. What is elevation? E-L-U. Elevation means the removal of the minerals from A layer to B layer. That means the A layer is removed. Yes or no? Removed by what? Removed by the leaching process, and what? Minerals are removed from the A layer, right? So it is the removal of the removal process. It is related to removal process, but it is related to deposition process. Deposition of the minerals. Clear? Yes or no? Sit down. So there are mainly three differentiated. Number one is by process, definition of the process. It is happening in A layer, it is happening in B layer. It is the removal of the minerals, it is the deposition of mineral. It is enough. Clear? So it's a very, very important question for the as a short answer type, that is elevation, and differentiate between elevation and illuviation. Next, the fourth is cheluviation. C-H-E-L-U. Yes, you have to mention the A layer, A horizon and B horizon. Yes, it is the part of the soil profile. What? Why? What is your problem? Yes. A and B. Just go through the soil profile. What is cheluviation? It is the one kind of leaching process or the percolation process, that is it is continue. Okay. Soil have different porosity, and when the rainfall are coming and the water is go through this porosity towards the downward. This is called leaching process. What is cheluviation? It is a downward movement of the material similar to leaching, but under the influence of organic complex compound. When organic compound complex is downward movement, that is called cheluviation. But it is not mentioned here. इसमें जो भी है mineral A से B, B से C. Clear? But the cheluviation means only organic complex compound are leaching from upper portion to lower portion or go to the down. Clear? The means of cheluviation. So these are the soil forming processes. Number one, weathering. Second is alluviation. Third is illuviation. And the fourth is cheluviation. Clear? And बेल तो नहीं हो अभी तक. And also the leaching, and mention also the leaching as a fifth process. Tell me the leaching. What is the definition of the leaching? Chelevation means it is the downward movement of the material similarly to the leaching process, but it is influence of organic complex compound. It is influenced by organic complex compound. It's called chelevation. Yes. What? It is all through throughout the profile. It is happening throughout the profile. It is not penetrate. It is not penetrate means the cell layer is bedrock, but sometime yeah, actually we are we are depending on A, B, and O, A, and B. It is all the process are circulated in 3 layers O, A, B, but we are not mentioned here O because the according to our NCERT book, it is the soil according to soil profile. A layer is the first horizon, B is the second horizon, and C is the bedrock. It is discussed at the detail at the higher level or higher study. Yes. Material goes to the if it is depend on the nature of the bedrock. It is depend on the nature of the bedrock. What type of mineral are found in the bedrock? It is granite rock, or it is sedimentary rock, or it is metamorphic rock. It is depend on the nature of the rocks. If it is sedimentary rock, the minerals go down. If it is metamorphic rock, maximum probability is come, and granite rock also probability is less. But we know the characteristics of individual rocks, etc. That's why we already complete the rocks and minerals chapter. Okay, clear? Yes or no? And what is the leaching process? Fifth process, that is removal and the downward movement of the mineral from a horizon to any other horizon. Clear? Just leaching. Leaching process means the percolation process of the minerals from upward layer to downward layer, or up layer to lower layer. Clear? So leaching is the last process. So clear? It's clear? Yes or no? Tell me. So how many we have found? How many soil forming processes? 5. What are the name of the 5 processes? Weathering, elevation, chelevation. Exactly. Very good. So it's clear. And your responsibility to cover the read the chapter means already you know that the different type of soil. What is the different type of soil throughout the India?